gloomy conditions around for right now, and things unfortunately only going to be getting a little bit worse as we head into the evening tonight. But really, we were lucky enough to have a pretty incredible weekend, so a little bit of rain tonight not going to be the worst of things. Notice off of our One Seneca camera, those gloomy skies continuing right now. Most areas have remained dry and pretty mild so far. Right now we sit at about 68 degrees for Buffalo, for Batavia. The further north you head, areas like Albion and Rochester still sitting right around 70 degrees with those cooler temperatures showing up across the southern tier. But if you think those are cool, really everywhere going to be feeling a significant change as we move into the night tonight. First with temperature, next with winds. Right now, these wind speeds are in the teens and some spots 20-mile-per-hour range. As we move through the night, they're going to continue to ramp up. And so for that reason, these areas in Peach are under a wind advisory. And if you were watching at 4 o'clock, you know that this was a little bit less. It was really just southern Erie and Chautauqua County. Well, now these advisories have been extended, and it's not just the area, it's the time frame too. So all the way through 2 o'clock, early tomorrow morning, those advisories will stay in place. Now, we mentioned the change in temperature, the change in winds. Well, we're also expecting some rain showers with this cold front. For right now, some spots across Chautauqua County have started to see the first batch of light rain, but notice that's just the beginning. We're going to be seeing a lot of this rain move into western New York through the overnight hours. So the timing actually pretty favorable if you did want to enjoy the last couple of mild hours that we have for the night tonight. And then as we get into the overnight, that's when the biggest batch of rain will move through, and it's with that front. So between about 11 o'clock tonight and probably 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when you can expect the heaviest widespread rain to move through, maybe even a couple of rumbles of thunder and strikes of lightning. But then again, by early tomorrow morning, most of that rain will be off to the east, and behind it, just a few scattered showers. Now, by tomorrow afternoon, we've got some breaks of sunshine definitely possible, so not a washout of a day, but again, by evening, we're going to be seeing some showers redevelop, and they're going to be spotty in nature, nothing that's too widespread. And that spotty, kind of unsettled weather, well, it sticks around through Wednesday morning. This is some lake effect rain, and notice it moves right off of Lake Erie. It will likely impact a lot of you in Niagara County, possibly Orleans County, even northern Erie County, but it will stay isolated to that spot throughout the majority of the day because it's coming off of the lake. So areas south and east of Buffalo will have a dry day Wednesday, but not everybody lucky enough to be seeing that. The rain forecasted amounts show you close to a ½ an inch of rain does move into the area tonight, and by early tomorrow morning, we're going to see areas east of this region pick up a lot more than that. So kind of dodging a bullet here, but again, south and east of Buffalo seeing the highest amounts. The metro sits at just under a ½ an inch. So that's what you need to know for tonight. Pretty windy as well, between that 15 and 25-mile-per-hour range. Gusts will peak at about 50 miles per hour. Then as we get into tomorrow, it's still going to be pretty windy. 10 to 20 miles per hour is what we're expecting. Temperatures will be cooler, down to about 60 to 65 degrees, depending on where you are. And if you think that's cool, notice Wednesday's forecast. 50 degrees is the expected high temperature, and that's why we're really looking at some lake effect rain showers Wednesday. We do warm up a bit for Thursday and Friday, but it's a big cool down once again for the weekend and for early next week.
Kaylee, thank you.